Hey guys, what's up? This is Mohsin here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do unboxing and a short review video about a very beautiful and slim design laptop, Acer Aspire 5 series model A515-52G. Soon I will make another full review video where I will explain more deeply about this laptop and my experience after using it. So let's get started. Acer is already famous for its gaming predator laptops and PCs, but they have also some mid-range budget laptops in the market, which is great for gaming and other works. Inside the box, there is one adapter, one cable which you can connect between the power socket and adapter, and there are some paper like setup guide and warranty card. Today I'm talking about Acer Aspire 5 A515-52G, which is an all-rounder notebook laptop with fabulous features. You can use it either for gaming and projects, or you can do your best editing footages and images with this laptop. The powerful combination of Intel Core i5 8th generation processor and NVIDIA GeForce MX 130 load the apps faster, better graphics and more efficient multitasking. The 15.6 inches IPS Full HD 1080 display and the resolution of 1920 by 180 pixels will give you an amazing experience of gaming and movies with Acer Color Intelligence. It will keep your eyes free from strain and watch or work for long sessions using Acer Blue Light Shield. You can turn on night shift option, which automatically shifts the colors of the display to warmer end of the color spectrum after dark. Work more effectively with the precision touchpad and log in with Fingerprint Reader. On the left side you can find one USB 3.0, one USB Type-C 3.1, one HDMI, one SD card reader and one Ethernet. On the right side there are two USB 2.0, a 2-in-1 audio jack where you can connect your headphones or microphones, and a power supply please. The Aspire 5 series has a bunch of different models and specifications. You can find in the market with Intel Pentium, Intel Core i5, i7 and AMD Ryzen 3, 5 and 7 processors. Travel with Ace and look great doing it with Aspire's thin light design and sandblasted aluminum top cover. The laptop is just 17.95 mm thick and its smooth, slim and aluminum top cover feels premium and stunning. The battery stays all day with up to 7 hours. The Acer Aspire 5 model A515-52G offers 8GB of RAM DDR4, which you can upgrade a maximum of 32GB and hard disk size of 512GB SSD. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for new videos.